Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. Find the area of the region included between the parabola 4y equals 3x squared and the line 3x minus 2y plus 12 equals 0. Solution शुरू करने से पहले let's note down the key concept for this problem. So इस problem का key concept is area between the curves say fx and gx such that fx is greater than or equal to gx over the interval of x, that being a to b, and area over this interval is a equals integral a to b of fx minus gx whole times differential dx. अब इस concept के help से we will solve the given question. Now in the question we are given the curves 4y equals 3x squared and 3x minus 2y plus 12 equal to 0. Now before constructing the graph of these two curves, let's first get the intersection points. And so therefore, here we have 2y equals 3 by 2 times x squared, and substitute the value for 2y in the equation of line, and therefore we get, substituting, we get, so here we have 3x minus 2y. 2y is 3 by 2 x squared. So this is 3x minus 3 divided by 2 times x squared and plus 12 equal to 0. So now here we have a quadratic equation. Let's first simplify. We get 3x squared minus 6x minus 24 equal to 0. अब 3 से divide कर सकते हैं. We'll have x squared minus, this is 2x minus 8 equal to 0. And so therefore we can factorize this into, so x squared minus, here we have 4x plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Factorize कर लेंगे x minus 4 times x plus 2 equal to 0, and this, so therefore values of x are x equals 4 or x equals minus 2, and when x is 4, y will be equal to, see, y is 3 by 4 times x square, so this is 3 by 4 times x square, that is 4 square. So ये आ जाता है y 12 आ जाएगा, लेकिन जब x minus 2 होगा तब y की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. So y is 3 by 4 times minus 2 squared and y is 3. And so we have got the two intersection point. Let point A represent the coordinates. So let's represent the point with coordinates 4 comma 12, and B has coordinates minus 2 comma 3. Now let's try to draw the graph of the curves. So suppose these are our coordinates axes. Let's now specify points. So here we have 0. So now let's construct the graph. So the first is 4y equals 3x squared. So the graph will therefore look like a parabola that is concave towards positive y-axis, and it passes through points minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 12. So the graph will look like this. So such is the graph of 4y equals 3x squared. And now let's construct the graph of the straight line 3x minus 2y plus 12 equals 0. And we know that this line passes through points minus 2 comma 3, that is this point, and 4 comma 12, that is this point. So the graph will therefore look like this. So this line has equation 3x minus 2y plus 12 equals 0. And now the concerned region is the region colored in yellow. We need to get the area of this region. As we can observe that ये जो region है, this is bounded by two curves. First is the straight line and the second is this parabola. And so therefore area of the concerned region will be equal to integral of, see, ये जो region है, this region is bounded by the curves y equals 3x plus 12 divided by 2 and y equals 3 by 4 times x squared, right? So therefore area will be equal to integral of, अब ये जो intersection points है ये हमें x की range दे देंगे. X goes from -2 to 4. So here we have -2 to 4 of, अब जो upper boundary है that is y equal to 3x plus 12 by 2. So here we have 3x plus 12 by 2 minus the lower boundary, and that is 3 by 4 times x squared whole times dx. Now let's evaluate this integral. तो simplify कर लेंगे. So here we have 3x squared by 4 plus 6 times x minus x cube by 4 over the limits -2 and 4. अपर लिमिट लगा लेंगे, आ जाएगा 12 प्लस 24 माइनस 16 माइनस लोअर लिमिट यूज़ करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 3 माइनस 12 plus 8 divided by 4, that is 2, and so final value turns out to be 27 square units. And so therefore area of the concerned region is equal to 27 square units. So this is our final answer. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck and thank you.